Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this Western Alliance Bank high yield saving account review. So let's dive into it. So Western Alliance Bank offers a high yield saving account that stands out for its strong interest rate, often around 4.25% to 4.30% APY. The account is FDIC insured, required only a $500 minimum deposit and charges no monthly maintenance fee, which make it a solid choice for savers who want to grow their money securely. It's simple, straightforward, and designed for people who want high returns without worrying about extra costs. So we're talking about the downside. The downside is the account is very limited when it comes to accessibility. There's no ATM card, no debit card, and no physical branch to visit. You are restricted to using only linked external account for ACH transfer, which can sometimes take a few days to process. Customer service is also less flexible with limited availability compared to bigger bank. In conclusion, Western Alliance Bank is best for people who want a high rate on savings and don't mind a no-free online only experience. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the revision button and subscribe for more review.